Okay, YouTube, as you know, my channel is Bad V Boy No Fear. I got a signature on my bike now. I did put one on before, but it got blown off when the guy was jet washing it. So basically what you got is you got Bad Boy, and if you look at the eyes, they make sort of like a V, so it's like Bad V Boy. So that's my trademark on all my videos. So I'm going to show you how to fit one now. So peel the back off, clean your area, and then put it sort of like central where you want it, and hold it just off, and then start rubbing, sort of like that, and hold it off, and the same again, just rub it on, piece of blue paper or something in, get all the air bubbles out of it, really push it on there hard. So that there's no air bubbles, and you know that it's stuck to the surface well, and then very carefully peel it off. So pick a corner, and then hold it at about a 45-degree angle, and see how it just popped a little bit off here by holding it at an angle very slowly, and the air started coming unstuck. Just keep going really slow. Coming off here now, nice. Oh, on the way, look, see, all of them coming unstuck, and even though I give it a good... Right, once you're on it then, same again, just run over them gently with your finger, especially where they started to come off. We put the sticky back on it backwards like that. And there you have it, the finished project.